Hello, creators. You need a pixel perfect website for your business and services. Let me show you some beautifully crafted web pages. This is one that is offering technical and managed SEO, and this is another that is offering website redesign services, and this is another that offers WordPress maintenance services. All these pages works as a separate landing page and all comes from a subdomain website of a digital agency. Thing is that how you can create such wonderful pages that may actually work for high conversion and that may be engaging and presenting your content very wisely. So, at our iCreate program, we are delivering multiple websites every month and we are using high quality elements and resources for WordPress website. Like when we are using Elementor as page builder, we are adding Element Pack Pro as an add-on to get multiple additional elements or features with the Elementor so that we may create new things. We may include the things that may be actually helpful for business and services. So in this video, I'm going to show you the advantages and what actually you can achieve with the Element Pack Pro. With the Elementor, you can use this add-on and it is definitely going to serve multiple plugins and it is going to replace multiple plugins in fact, and it is going to serve multiple purposes for your business website. Okay. So you can check the pricing and also details with the description link that I'll add. But my main objective is to show you the Elements Pack Pro, what are the features available, how you can proceed with. And we are here at the welcome page dashboard of Element Pack Pro, and it tells us something about like information, supports, and community connections and all. Video tutorials are also here. The main thing that I wish to show is the widgets, the core widgets and the widgets screen where we can simply enable and disable features, add-ons that can be directly used with the Elementor page builder. So when you are enabling these features, it will be available on the page and you can select any of these widgets which is enabled in addition to default Elementor things. So like in the core widgets area, we have accordion. So I'm randomly reading. You can see the screen and you can even take a screenshot what actually you can achieve with these widgets. I mean with Element Pack Pro. So accordion, the advanced button, advanced calculator, advanced Google Map, the advanced icon box, advanced headings, animated cards, animated links, and the Calendly, chart, dual button, call out, the comparison lists, the circle info, and many more. So I cannot read all these for you because it is a very huge list. There are 168 widgets that we can enable directly through this dashboard, and all works super in a super fine way with the Elementor Page Builder. So I'm sure these elements are going to help you when you are planning to create a custom pages with interactive features that can actually help in conversion or bringing more attraction at your page. So these are the widgets. I'll scroll once all for you. And okay, so welcome form is also here. Even we can integrate the weather info and the video players. Okay, right. Great. So there are some third-party widgets that you can use with this plugin. You need to download these plugins separately, but it can be enabled once you download the plugin. The download link has been given here with all the icons like ACF tabs, advanced custom press, accordions, BB press, and the buddy press group, and some third-party plugins that you can see on the screen. Again, I am scrolling just to give you an idea. And on the next screen, we have extension. This is also very good in form of extension. You can have the ad blocker. Further, what if you want to understand what is the ad blocker and how it is going to work, there is the video link with every extension, and you can watch the video, specific video, to understand how it is going to work, how you can implement that. So like animated gradient background, the backdrop filter, the hash links, and the image masking, background image parallax, and all that you can see on the screen. Again, there are some special features like asset management, the mega menu, dynamic content is also here. So yes, it's dynamic content is very helpful. We are when you are planning a advanced website, that like I shown you the page, and it uses the dynamic pricing, content, and all such features. So you'll check the website, and through the link, I'll definitely try to add the link, or you can go through the domain that you can see, right? So the duplicator is also here. You don't need any separate plugin, the context menu, the template library, SVG support, and the variations. Watch it if you are planning an e-commerce website. Further, we have the API settings. You can use the Google Map API and discuss and Yelp, and there are many API keys that can be directly integrated here. Some extra options like custom CSS and white labeling options are here, and or you can use these options. System status is additional tool that can help you understanding the system status, what you are using. Some other plugins that you can link or install through this dashboard, like Prime Slider add-ons per Elementor and Ultimate Post Kit add-ons per Elementor, and all. Some promotional and rollback versions options are also here. So my objective is to let you know the advanced thing that you can use at your WordPress website. So we mainly focus on using minimal number of plugins and getting maximum output and maximum utilization of that particular plugin or any module. So the wise sense says we should use such plugins on our WordPress website that can feature that can give us multiple feature in a single dashboard. So particularly this website using Outgrid WordPress theme, you can watch the detailed video available on this channel, and with the theme pack pro, Outgrid works very fine. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your wonderful and dream websites. I'm sure you are regularly watching the video on the channel. Subscribe the channel. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.